Hello, welcome to this update. Let's see the severe weather for Europe for today and tomorrow. So today there's a level 2 in Poland and a level 1 in parts of northern Italy and Austria, and this level 1 from Germany to to Hungary and Slovakia, parts of Poland and western Ukraine. So let's see. And the yellow areas are like general risk of thunderstorms. So let's see. A level 2 and 1 are issued for Poland, parts of Slovakia, and Hungary for excessive convective precipitation, large hail, and severe convective wind gusts. A level 1 is issued for parts of Austria and northern Italy for excessive convective precipitation and large hail. A level 1 was issued for northeastern Germany, mainly for severe convective wind gusts and a lesser degree for tornadoes. So here you have the description if you want to read. You can pause, but this is really long. Let's see. And some storms possible in Turkey too, Russia, and some other areas, including some isolated afternoon thunderstorms in some mountains of Spain and even the UK possible. So let's see. We have this weather model here. It's the GFS. So you can see the low pressure between the UK and Denmark there, and then it keeps moving northeast, and then we have these storms to fire in Poland this afternoon and become really robust in parts of Poland, even southern Sweden, some storms, and then they keep going. This is by this evening or late afternoon, about 6 o'clock. The storms are really robust in eastern Poland, going to Belarus and Ukraine there, but mainly in those areas, yeah. Some other strong ones in Lithuania too, and then by 7 o'clock they dissipate a little bit, but still some there. And then let's see. In Slovakia, it shows maybe a storm or two in northern Slovakia, and central Hungary, it has like a storm or two possible there. And then later this evening and tonight in northern Slovakia, it shows. And it shows some showers in other areas. It shows some storms in northern Italy and Austria, but they don't really have a strong signal. But let's see a higher resolution model. So this is a little bit higher resolution. We have the low pressure there, some rain in the UK and in Denmark, in Germany too. And then we have these little storms to fire around eastern Czechia and Germany, in northern Hungary and Slovakia this afternoon. And then these storms become really strong in Poland there. It's really strong. They start by, they even have this starting by like noon. So some storms are at noon there, but about 5-6 o'clock the storms are still there. This like 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, more strong storms in Belarus, Russia, no, Ukraine and parts of eastern Poland, into Lithuania too, and parts of that small part of Russia. And let's see, by tonight, by 9 o'clock, the storms keep going there in Belarus and parts of Ukraine, and more rain in Sweden going into Finland. As this low pressure becomes bigger, it brings more rain to Finland and Sweden tomorrow. So let's see further south. It has something. It has some storms in Austria, but not much in northern Italy. It has more in Austria, but be aware there too. Has a storm or two in Slovakia by tonight, and more tomorrow. So let's see this other model here. So it has the low pressure there, the storms in Germany, like they mentioned, northeastern Germany, some other rain in the Netherlands, and then the storms in Poland there, some really strong ones going to Belarus and parts of Lithuania too, and the low pressure there going to Sweden later. And let's see, it has maybe some rains in Slovakia, but by early this afternoon with some storms, maybe in Hungary too, but nothing very concerning. More rain storms in Austria and northern Italy there. And let's see, in UK too, some rain, maybe a storm or two. yeah, and more stuff. So let's see. This model here is only for Western Europe, but we can take a look. Some rain and showers in France, in Belgium, and the UK. Some showers are in northern Italy by 2 o'clock, maybe a storm or two, and then by, let's see, 12, 13. So by 3 o'clock it shows some storms in northeastern Germany, those ones they talked about. Some showers and storms in parts of Netherlands, Germany, and other areas. Then these storms go into Austria there by by 5, 6, and 7 o'clock. Some stronger ones in Austria, lasting until tomorrow morning. Some, and then let's see, we might have a storm or two in the Pyrenees of Spain this afternoon, and another storm or two possible further south near the Valencian community. So just some little storms this afternoon. And let's see what else. There's this other model for Europe here. We can see the low pressure and the rains there, and the storms in Poland there, going to Russia and Lithuania, and the rain going north later into Finland and Sweden. And let's see, some warnings for today. Let's see if it loads here because it's really slow. So we have some heat advisories in Spain there, some high temperatures like up to 38 degrees. Let's see, 38. So let's see, some warnings in the UK for rain too, because of what we had yesterday and still going on today. The rain advisories. In southeastern Europe, it's really crazy. It's mainly heat, so the heat advisories, high temperatures in Serbia, Romania, and all those areas. So even some thunderstorm advisories further north, like into Slovakia, northern Hungary. Let's see, Bosnia, Herzegovina, some high temperatures advisories, and even thunderstorm advisory in a place or two. In Italy, some heat advisories in the south, in the north central, some heat advisories too, and some thunderstorm advisories in northern Italy and Austria. Let's see, some heat and thunderstorm advisories in parts of Austria too, and Germany. Some thunderstorm advisories, but it will be mainly northeastern Germany for today, but I don't think they have anything out yet. For Poland, a bunch of thunderstorm warnings today. Lithuania, some high temperature advisories. Estonia, Finland, more stuff. Let's see. Some even thunderstorm advisory in an area of Norway there. Today, I think, until this evening. Let's see. Finland, they have some thunderstorm advisories, and I expect more advisories for tomorrow. Let's see, some high temperature advisories in Greece, many areas of Greece. In Israel, some heat warnings too. And what's this in Cyprus? Some thunderstorm advisory in Cyprus for today. And let's see the severe weather for tomorrow here. So this was today, and there's another outlook for tomorrow here. So they have a level 2 in parts of, I think that's Austria, Slovenia, yeah, and a level 1 in northern Italy, in Austria and Slovenia, a level 2 in Ukraine, parts of eastern Slovakia, and a level 1 from Norway to Albania, a very wide area. Let's see, some level 1s in Turkey too, a general risk of thunderstorms in some other areas. Yeah, so let's see. A level 2 was issued for southern Austria, mainly for severe wind gusts and large hail. Level 2 was issued across western Ukraine surroundings, mainly for heavy rain, large hail, and severe wind gusts. A level 1 was issued A level 1 surrounds the level 2 areas with similar hazards but lower probabilities, like heavy rain, large hail, and gusty winds. A level 1 is issued across parts of Sweden, mainly for heavy rainfall. A level 1 is issued for parts of Turkey, mainly for large hail and heavy rain. So let's see, they have some descriptions here of the forecast. Let's see. For Austria, cold front, let's see. Ukraine and Romania. You can pause if you want. Let's see. Belarus, Finland and Sweden, Turkey. Yes. So let's see here for tomorrow. So Wednesday, tomorrow shows some storms in Belarus, the rain in Norway and Sweden there. And then tomorrow afternoon shows more like early afternoon, shows more parts of Ukraine there, some stronger ones in Ukraine. And Austria, some other areas of the Balkans, like tomorrow night into Thursday, the storms continue in Ukraine and Belarus. Let's see, we might have another system there later. And then let's see another model. So Wednesday, let's see, the Euro has the storms in Ukraine, some scattered showers and storms in parts of Hungary, especially like eastern Hungary, in parts of northern Italy, Austria, and Russia, Belarus, some storms too, and there in Norway and Sweden and Finland. Some storms in Turkey too tomorrow, some other areas, Romania, northern Romania, some showers in Serbia, and more stuff elsewhere. Let's see this other model. It has, let's see, the storms in, this model has more storms in Hungary going to Slovakia, and Ukraine there going to Belarus by Thursday, and to Russia by Thursday night. But definitely be aware, in Ukraine there, northern Romania, parts of Poland, Slovakia, and Hungary. So let's see. Let's get a wider view here. Wait, let's see. Europe and North Atlantic, so you can see Sweden and Norway. Into Wednesday, we get this low pressure to move up there. Lots of rain in Sweden especially, but Finland as well. Into parts of Norway too. We might get some thunderstorms there in Russia and Finland. Tomorrow going to Thursday. So Thursday still some storms in Finland and in Russia, in those areas. Let's see rainfall accumulation. So this is for today, mainly in Poland, those areas there, in UK too. For tomorrow, so look, between today and tomorrow has a lot in Sweden there in Norway. Be aware of the rivers and everything. So Thursday a little bit more, Friday. So I put this until Sunday. So the rain accumulation until Sunday for Europe, a lot in Russia, Sweden, northern Italy, Austria, parts of the UK, Iceland, and more areas, and even Greenland. But there might be snow in Greenland. Next week a little bit more. And let's see another model. So that was the Euro. So let's see if this other one loads here, or I don't know, because the internet is not very good now. But let's see who do with this other site. It's faster. So for the next 5 days, this other model has more in Sweden, Norway, Finland, and Russia there, more rain, parts of the Balkans, Romania, Bulgaria, Serbia, a little bit in Hungary, Poland, into Belarus and Ukraine, Switzerland, and more areas, and barely nothing in other areas there. So let's see. In the next 10 days, it shows even more for Northern Europe and some areas there. The next 5 days, more there. Now the temperatures for today and tomorrow and afterwards. So let's see. For the maximum temperatures for today, it shows up to 42 in parts of northern Serbia and Hungary, 42, 38 Celsius, 42 in parts of Bulgaria. Let's see, 40s in parts of Moldova, even 41, into Ukraine, 40s and 39. I think this model is kind of exaggerating, but but you all know it's hot. So let's see. Parts of Spain to 38 degrees, 31 in other areas. Let's see southern France into the low 30s, even 34. In other areas like 20s. In the UK like 18, 15, 19. A little bit cooler like 19, 17 Belgium and the Netherlands. 27 there. 34 in Poland, 29 in other areas. So let's see the other models here. So this model has 40s in parts of southern Romania. It has 39 in parts of southeastern Hungary, 37. It has even 40 in northern Serbia, 40, 39, so high into the 30s in Croatia, Bosnia, and Italy too. There's like 41 in parts of Italy, 39, 40 further south in Italy. Let's see, 40 in Sicily. It's very hot too, like 40, 41 even some areas. Let's see, Northern Africa of course, and Sardinia into the 30s. It has Spain like 37, yeah, I mean like 37, 38, it depends on the area too. Portugal in the high 20s, a little bit better. Parts of northern Spain like 32, 34, northeastern Spain. Let's see, southern France has 34, 33 degrees in some areas, 32, 31. Yeah, so this is for today. For tomorrow here, let's see, Wednesday. I'm searching for the maximum temperature here. So let's see, yes, 40s in parts of southern Romania, some 30s and 40s and 30s parts of southeastern Europe, Greece, high into the 30s and even 40. Those dark areas are probably like almost to 40 degrees. Macedonia, some 38 too, 34 some other areas, 38 in parts of Bosnia and Croatia. Let's see, northern Serbia high into the 30s and Hungary into the 30s too. A little bit cooler in Central Europe, but in the 20s in other areas. Southern France tomorrow still in the 30s. Spain like in the 30s in many areas, and further south a little bit more, 36, 37 in some areas. Portugal a little bit warmer tomorrow, like 30s in some areas. And Italy has even 41 in some areas there. 39, 41, 40 degrees, 39. Let's see, even 39 in Sicily. Rome, 39 tomorrow possible too. Some other areas 37. Yeah, very hot. So please be aware of the heat and the storms and everything, and stay safe. We'll make more updates later. So just one more thing, in the longer range, by Thursday still very hot in Russia, Ukraine, southeastern Europe, and then by Friday we'll probably hit peak temperatures in Spain and Portugal, especially Spain. It'll be like Friday and Saturday tremendously hot there in Spain. We'll probably make a video in Spanish later. Hot in parts of France, Germany too by Saturday. Turkey too, very hot, the Middle East, and other areas. Then by Sunday, next Monday and Tuesday, still hot, mainly in the southwest and southeast Europe, and yeah, generally it, I think. So